Car seat safety. Introduction. Car seats greatly reduce the risk of injury or death from car crashes. Select true or false. Correct. The right car seat for your child depends on their age, weight, and size. It also depends on your vehicle. Your child will need different car seats as they grow. Rear-facing car seats are the best car seats for babies and younger children. Select true or false. Correct. Rear-facing car seats face the back of your vehicle. Convertible car seats with tray shields should not be used for babies. Select true or false. Correct. A tray shield could hurt a baby's face during a car accident. The best place for car seats is in the middle of the back seat. Select true or false. Correct. Babies and children should never ride in the front seat. Thank you for using Explain.